Welcome to sheetBuild. In this video, you will learn how you can import 3D files from other applications into sheetBuild and how to edit them. Let's get started. To keep things simple, sheetBuild supports for now just one 3D file format, the gltf format. This 3D format is optimized for the web, and you should not use other formats online. A gltf file consists of different nodes which are ordered in a hierarchical way. With sheetBuild, you can edit attributes of these nodes. When you add a 3D file via the helper menu, the file dialog window opens where you can upload and select your gltf file. After that, a second dialog opens where you can see the size of the model and adapt the scaling if needed. You can also set here the rotation. You can get additional information about the model by hovering the model while pressing the Shift key on your keyboard. Hovering the model with pressed Shift key opens a little helper window on the bottom left. It shows additional information such as the hovered node name, the size of the object, and the intersection point of the mouse cursor. With sheetBuild, it is possible to edit node parameters. To do so, first get the name of the specific node by hovering it with pressed Shift key. Then copy and paste its name to a new parameter head cell. You can now set the parameter by adding the parameter name to the value cell followed by the value. For example, we set here the color parameter. To change this value dynamically by the user control, we add a color chooser control and connect its value to the newly introduced node parameter. The end user is now able to change the value of our 3D file node. There are many more parameters you can change of 3D files. Take a look at the documentation for more help. There are different best practices you should follow when you export your files from other applications. For example, in Blender, you have different settings you can set when export to gltf file format. You must choose gltf embedded or gltf binary here to bundle textures and geometry information into one file. You should prefer the binary option here because it creates smaller files. You have also to consider the up vector of your file. The best way to find out is to just make an example export. There are a lot of more features in sheetBuild. Please take a look at the other videos or play around with the user interface. You can also take a look at the example projects. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.